Hello everyone, today I will introduce you to a rotary automatic filling machine for water agent, emulsion and creams, cosmetic, light industry, pharmaceuticals and food. It can fill various products such as creams, ointments, lotions and gels, and viscous fluids into a plastic or a glass bottle. Bottles are manually placed into an adjustable cup holder, which are then transferred to the main machine via a conveyor. Bottle detection. Photocell sensors detect empty bottles on the main rotary disc, ensuring filling only occurs when bottles are present. Filling is controlled by a PLC system, with the filling nozzle precisely entering the bottles. An equal liquid level suction device maintains a constant product levels. On inner seal. Manual placement of inner seal on bottleneck. Machine automatically applies downward pressure upon sensing the bottle. Screw the cap. Manually place the cap on the mouth of the bottle, and the manipulator automatically screws the cap. Final process. After the screwing process is completed by the robotic arm, it passes through the bottle exit position, and it will be automatically taken out by the manipulator and be placed on the conveyor belt. The machine weight is about 700 kilograms. Applicable bottle determined range of 20 millimeters to 50 millimeters. Power requirements of AC 380 volts and 500 Hz. Total power of 2.5 kilowatts. Production capacity of 35 to 40 bottles per minute.